There's no such thing as having too many coffee makers. While espresso machines produce beautiful lattes and cold brew makers fulfill our warm weather cravings, pour-over coffee makers are our top choice for a solid cup of black coffee. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pour-over coffee makers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Chemex Classic Series Coffee Maker. Designed in 1941 by a chemist, the Chemex Classic series is a favored choice among the pour-over coffee community for its sleek design and sizable brewing capacity. Featuring heat-resistant glass and a polished wooden handle that serves as a heat guard when handling and pouring, the Chemex produced one of the best-tasting brews of the test, with the testers noting a smooth, velvety, and floral cup of coffee. Chemex encourages using their branded single-sheet filters that must be folded in a specific way before use. Careful pouring is needed to prevent collapsing the filter's flat-edged sides. Number 2. Melitta Artisan Porcelain Pour-Over Coffee Maker. Featuring a similar design as our best value pick, the pour-over coffee maker and canister set from Melitta is equipped with everything you need to display your coffee setup. Sitting atop a bamboo tray is a pour-over cup, a coffee filter holder, and a porcelain jar to store coffee grounds. During our tests, we noted a balanced, fragrant, and floral brew. Although they did find themselves missing the portholes, the Melitta 1-cup porcelain pour-over has that aid engaging coffee flow. Number 3. Chemex Funnex. Well designed with a sleek, modern appearance, the Chemex Funnex is a top-tier choice for quality brews and a pleasant brewing experience. It is constructed of double-walled borosilicate glass and comes with a silicone gasket compatible with all types of cups, mugs, and thermoses. During our tests, the pour-over yielded balanced and consistently great-tasting brews. According to the tester, using this coffee maker might overwhelm a beginner, but the learning curve is small, and after a few brews and experiments, this coffee maker is sure to become a necessity in your morning coffee routine. Number 4. MiiR Pourigami Coffee Dripper. This origami-style, stainless steel pour-over coffee maker is our portable coffee maker of choice. To use, interlock the 3 panels and place the device over the desired mug. When finished, its walls collapse into each other, leaving a slim profile that can stow away easily. During testing, the quality of the coffee left our testers wanting more, noting a balanced, slightly spiced cup. Our testers liked its durable construction and felt its $30 price tag was reasonable for an option that could withstand regular wear and tear. Number 5. Coffee Gator Pour-Over Coffee Maker. If a reusable brewing method is important to you, the pour-over from Coffee Gator provides a sustainable, straightforward solution. Assembling this coffee maker is intuitive. Simply place the reusable metal mesh filter on top of the carafe, and you're ready to begin brewing. The tests produced results that our testers described as very mellow, fruity, slightly floral, and very balanced, a really nice cup of coffee. At $30, we feel this model is fairly priced and a fine choice for both beginners and veterans. That was our list of the top 5 best pour-over coffee makers just for you.